All right, so I ended up buying a little not working Yamaha Vino 125. It's kind of beat up, but for 250 bucks, what the hell? Clean title, not out. So probably take this off. Gotta drill that out. The key turns on and off, and then you open the back trunk. And then I think it does have a battery. And the oil sight glasses. No good to see. So let me clean that up and watch. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what kind of oil we have. Looks like oil. Dirty, but some nevertheless. And then we'll change it out once we get it started. I think okay, let's see what it does. We will dig a little bit more. We'll go ahead and take everything apart so we can kind of work on it. Okay, after some drilling, what do we got? This thing is seized, so we'll probably get a new one. But the fuel is hella nasty, bro. You can see that. Let me get a light. Okay, so I don't think there's any fuel in there. Nasty, so I'll probably have to de-rust this thing. But we gotta get it to crank. Everybody got an Asian broom. Okay, so the electric component not working. On. Nothing's happening. Let's just test the starter. So, starter works. We need a trigger. We'll see where the trigger is. I'll check the kill switch and all that, and then we'll come back. we will also check the fuse. There's a fuse box. Okay, so after I got everything all checked out, I took that apart, measured continuity, power, and all that, and everything's good. And I went to go and turn it on. Crank. So I'm gonna clean the gas tank, and I might do the carburetor. Where the hell is that at? Somewhere over here. But enough for the day. Okay, so yesterday, what I was doing when I was checking the electrical in the front when it wasn't cranking, was I took this apart, 2 Phillips, and then this came apart. So once that's apart, I went ahead and I checked those 2 contact points. I cleaned them a little bit, and then I was able to kind of wiggle this wire around a little bit, and eventually I was able to get 12 volts on those 2 contacts when you flip the kill switch on and you actually actuate the start engine. Then it was able to start cranking, so I went ahead and put everything back together. Just wanted to show you guys what I did. And then obviously when you put it back together, you just do the same Phillips, and I'll come back when I finish the rest. But so I forgot to do a video of when I did my carburetor. But anyways, this thing sits here like that, and you get that screw and one from under here, and then you undo this, and then this breather hose here, it goes to the crank here, chase it to here, but that goes into here, and plug that. Pull this off because I'm missing this cover here for the air filter. I think I might just run this pot I have laying around. It probably just does the job. And this is your fuel line. It goes in here. And you have your throttle. Undo your throttle. And you undo this. I think this is like a fast idle help or something like that. Kind of like a electronic choke. And that is this guy. So you just unhook that. And I also unhook these 2 guys. I don't know what this is for. And then this air hose here. And I think that's it. And then you undo that. Just plop it off and start doing the work.